Let's start with question number 7 now. Class 10. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Now what does it mean? Now he said there is a tower fixed on the top of a building which itself is 20-meter high. So this is 20-meter high building. Tower is fixed over it of height h, and a person suppose is standing at point D. When he is looking at the this bottom of the tower, that is at point B, the angle of elevation made by him is 45 degree. This is line of sight and this is horizontal level. Line of sight with horizontal level, this is 45 degree. When a person is looking at the top of the tower, say at point A, then this will be line of sight and this is horizontal. So this complete angle is 60. I have shown this figure here also. Same figure I have drawn again. This is 20-meter building, height h, which we have to find out. Now this is 45 degree and this is 60 degree. Now see how many right triangles you can see in the figure. BCD is the right triangle and ACD is the right triangle. Now the two right triangles which you can see will help us to find out this h. Now what do? Once we will find out, take this triangle BCD. BC we know, we find out CD. Then we consider triangle ACD, in which we consider P again, this AC upon CD, that is P upon B, and where we will, instead of AC, we write H plus 20, because this is AC, upon the CD which we have found out in the previous step. So from there we can calculate. So I am showing it on the next page also. This is done here. So in triangle BCD, BC upon CD is tan 45. So tan 45 is 1, 45 is 1. So 20 upon CD is equal to 1 implies CD is equal to 20 meter. So in triangle ACD, AC upon CD is equal to tan 60. AC is what? AB plus BC is equal to upon 20 is equal to root 3. And this is AB was H, BC is 20. So h plus 20 upon 20 is equal to root 3. From here you can calculate h. So we have written like this, cross multiplying. So 20 taking common, root 3 minus 1 into this is your h. Now here you can also put the value of root 3 as 1.732 and completely find out, though it's given like this at the back of your NCERT, but you can, sometimes it is required to find out complete answer. You can put the value of h as this root 3 as 1.732, because I have told you that root 3 is always 1.732. You can put that value and calculate it completely. Now let's move on to question number 8. Question number 8 is a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Pedestal means what? A stand, sort of stand. Pedestal fan you have heard. तो pedestal fan क्या होता है बेटा? जो stand के ऊपर होता है. So pedestal is a sort of stand. उसके ऊपर हमने एक 1.6 मीटर का statue रखा हुआ है. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So see here, this is your figure for 8th question. This is pedestal, this is stand actually. उसके ऊपर 1.6 मीटर का स्टैचू हमने रखा हुआ है इस स्टैंड के ऊपर. दिस टाइम अर्लियर इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन you were to find out this thing. Now you have to find out this thing. Now a person is suppose standing here. जब वो बेटा स्टैचू के टॉप पे देख रहा है ए एंगल, सो दिस कंप्लीट एंगल विल, दिस ट्राइंगल विल बी 60 डिग्री एंगल विल बी हियर. दिस इज योर लाइन ऑफ साइट एंड दिस इज योर हॉरिजॉन्टल लेवल. और जब वो टॉप ऑफ द पेडेस्टल देख रहा है, दैट इज एट पॉइंट बी, देन एंगल मेड इज 45 डिग्री. So this is your line of sight and horizontal level. So 45 degree and this is 60. Again we will use once BCD and another time ACD. So you can see here one thing. In triangle BC upon BCD, BC upon CD is equal to tan 45. But note one thing. Here we don't even know any of them. BC भी नहीं पता, CD भी नहीं पता. But what can we do? Tan 45 की value 1 डाली. H upon CD is equal to 1. So H is equal to CD. So mark it as 1 and keep it with you. H is equal to CD as 1. Now in triangle ACD, you can pause the video and you can see the figure again and you can connect the things. So in triangle ACD, AC upon CD we have considered. In this triangle ACD, AC upon CD we are considering. So AC upon CD, what is AC? This is AB plus BC. So AB is your 1.6 plus H upon CD is equal to tan 60 root 3. From here सी डी क्योंकि बेटा एच के इक्वल है, हमने पार्ट 1 में नोट करा हुआ था. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सी डी इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप आई एम राइटिंग हियर एच. फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन फाइंड आउट एच. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग √3h is equal to 1.6 plus h. Now taking like terms to one side, √3h इधर था, इसको h को उधर लगे तो माइनस h हो गया. यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो कि दिस 1.6 इधर है और √3h माइनस लाइक दिस √3h माइनस h. बाद में हमने क्या करा, ये h कॉमन लिया यहाँ पे स्टेप में. सो √3 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1.6. नीचे गया, इट बिकम्स दिस वे. एंड नाउ रैशनलाइज यू नो फ्रॉम योर 9th क्लास. सो साइन चेंज करके ऊपर नीचे सेम से मल्टीप्लाई. 1.6 इंटू √3 प्लस 1, ये a माइनस बी इंटू a प्लस बी है. वॉट डज इट बिकम, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. So 3 minus 1 is your 2, cutting 0.8 into √3 plus 1 meter. Again you can put the value of √3 and can find out.